This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and then execute the first live test. Deploy or pick the Logic app, enable run history and diagnostics, and load a representative trigger payload. This makes failures visible. Once done, trigger the workflow manually or via HTTP post so you capture a full run. Make sure to use realistic data because synthetic inputs hide integration problems. Running now gives you immediate traces, inputs, outputs, and where to focus next. You now dig into the run history to locate errors and understand why they occurred. Expand failed actions, inspect inputs and outputs, and note HTTP status codes or connector error messages. Once you have the failure point, use compose or dedicated test actions to isolate variables and conditional branches. This narrows the fault to data, mapping, or connector auth. Make sure to replay with adjusted payloads and temporary mocks, because repeating failures under controlled changes reveals root causes. You finish by applying the identified fixes and validating them with a complete end-to-end run. Redeploy or update the Logic app, execute the same realistic payloads, and verify each action produces the expected output. Confirm connectors authenticate and responses return 200 series statuses. Once stable, add automated checks, ARM templates, unit-style tests for mappings, and CI/CD gating to prevent regressions. If things go wrong, check connector throttling and diagnostics first. That single tip saves hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.